Virtual Tourist Office is a suite of applications designed for private or public promotion of a tourist destination. A country, a region, or a city has at its disposal a great amount of digital information about their territories, regarding what is called tourism resources or points of interest, as monuments, events, restaurants, beaches, nature, and so on. Nowadays, these points of interest are marketed together in touristic fairs and through internet. Today, with the assistance of our technology, authorities can store, compile, and order all of this information to make it available to the average user or to any tourism industry professional. Virtual Tourist Office Suite is composed by one backend and three different frontends, one based on Pixel Sense tabletop devices, one based on Windows Phone devices, and the application we're going to see in this video based on Windows 8.1 devices. This range of devices make Virtual Tourist Office suitable for any scenario, from a tourist carrying all the information during his travel, to a kiosk scenario sited on an airport, a tourist office, or an information point where the tourist seeks advice, both with the help of a tourism agent or in an assisted manner. This application is thought for a huge range of devices, from the smallest 8-inch tablet to the biggest 80-inch tactile screen. Its main purpose is to make available to the average user a huge amount of geolocalized touristic content. The user of the application may be a private one using its own device, or a tourist in any information desk of any touristic office at any spot of the world. At the start screen, we get a roll of very attractive images to grab our attention. Our first contact triggers the language selection. Once we've selected our language, let's choose an item from the suggestions. As we see, we have many resources: images, videos, PDFs, anything. If we want to see all the suggestions at once on a map, we can do it in this view. Let's choose one and we can see its detail again, or make it a favorite, or even ask the application for a route. There is an extra way to access the information via the subcategory panel. Let's choose one subcategory, choose one item of the subcategory, and we'll see its route. Now let's say we want to eat while in this route. Let's choose this category and access one restaurant. We can make it a favorite and then work with our favorites. We see here the list of our favorite items. Now we will generate a QR to carry them with us. All the information we've seen is cloud-based, open data, and multi-tenant, and is also multi-level, from a neighborhood to a whole country, all of this configurable from the backend. How do we access the backend? Since our backend is hosted on Azure, we type in touristoffice.azurewebsites.net and log in on any browser. Our backend is multi-tenant and role-based. In this very example, we've accessed the system with admin 3. Depending on the privileges, a user can manage resources, subcategories, categories, other users, tenants, and statistics. Let's edit a resource. We can rename it, change its subcategory, edit its translations, or farther down in the page it is possible to edit its geolocation on a map. Now we would save it and continue working.